How to open phone settings from Google. If you want to open your phone settings from your Google, then what you need to do is first you need to search for Google. If you don't find Google application, then you can also go and install it from your Play Store or your App Store. Now tap on your profile, which will be in the top right corner of your screen. And here you will find an option of manage your Google account. Tap on it. Here you will find different tabs, which is you'll have wallet and subscriptions, personal info. If you tap on the personal info, here you will have all of the information like your name, gender, your email, phone number, and everything. You'll have all of your personal information. And second, we have security and sign in. It lets you manage your activity and data preferences to make Google services more personalized. And next we have Google Password, and here you will have all of your saved passwords. After that, you will have your linked apps, your data and privacy settings. You can adjust your security settings and find recommendations to keep your account safe. And then you will have People and Sharing tab, from where you can manage your contacts, interactions, and decide what information you share across Google services. You'll have payments and subscriptions. There you will find all of your saved payment methods, your transaction history, recurring payments, and subscriptions. So that's how you can access your phone settings directly from Google. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.